This is my strawberry. I just finished watering. Start to have nice flower. And I plant more hardcover because the first one don't grow well. This is also an strawberry. And this one I cover it. This is a tomato, beef tomato. Look, this they grow, Papa. Careful, baby. No, let him go out, baby.
Yuki, I do actually was.
Ali, and the other one, Shiri. Yuki.
Look, elle est timide.
It's ready there. I just make cut the bubble. Masih binok lah. I remove the chicken. Ay, Bibi, can you put the oven 180?
What do you mean 180?
Saan ka to ba?
T'as toi.
Saan ka to ba? Bifis to ha, saan ka to ba?
Ouais, il place une mesure.
I plant. I've been there. I plant here too. Look, because the eggplant is up to a distance because there is very compact. Luto na lahat. Oo. Oo, nagdilig din ko kanina umaga ha. Pero dito lang diniligan ko mamaya. Hindi pa ubos yan ha. Oo. Natawa ko tumalbo. Oo, bumabalik. Alam mo, natawa ko. Kasi alam mo, pinatay ko na no, tinanggal ko. Tinanggal ko. Oo, tapos pinatay ko muna. May tubig pa pala. Gusto rin pumasok. Mayroon papat kasi kahit one night i-stop po, kinabukasan mayroon.
Parce que I remember
Wala, pero walang init ha.
last year.
Dito inairit ko, nakita mo? Dito inairit ko siya. Kasi yung ibig ko sabihin yun, hindi, kasi yung mga, yun ba yung mga branch ha? Tapos binaon ko, nilipat ko lang doon kaunti. Oo, kasi sabi ni Marie, dapat pala hindi gaanong compact para may araw. Pero, pero siguro
I
pa.
don't know because told you the one of Pino is like a big carpet like
Oh,
this.
ano
They're
yun?
all sticking all together.
Ano yun? Variety yun ng ito siguro. Ito. Ito yung ito yun inano ko native.
Ayan.
Native.
Yung kalit yan, no? Prutas.
Gusto ipakarpit ko rin to. Oo, pero sinave ko lang to, buti mayroon pa. Galing to kay ito dalawa. Maliit ang bunga yan ha.
Ganun lang yan.
Oo. Maliit, malaki na nga yan. Tapos ito pa, tomato to. Oh. It's already open. No, it's in your front.
It's cold.
No, I just remove.
Totally cold.
Okay, we will put back. I will take out the pie. Pat, ano mo nga, Pat? Lagay mo.
nilagay niya na.
Hindi. Ano yun? Hindi yun. Ano yun? Baboy yun. This is my oregano. Puli, pia pulili. I like so much gardening. This is a chives, a garlic leaves. Need a variety of celery. You see the brand? It's round. Mayroon ko rin potato dyan. Oo, bagong katatanggal ko lang yun eh.
Hinawakan niya sa gilid ng plato. Hinawakan ko yung manok. Nasunog kamay ko.
Katatanggal ko lang. 2 hours cooking yun, mahina. This is a raspberry. And here is the myrtle. A lot of fruits. Beautiful rose I have. Oh la la. You see that? Flowers soon to open. And this is a cassis. Very few difference than the other pots. Myrtle. This is my mint chocolate. Hmm? Ali mo, Siri? Inside. Will cool, Papa. Dessert, we eat dessert here. In the terrace. I plant you strawberry here so that easy for you to harvest, baby. This is a coriander. Kain na tayo. Ano pang ano? Ready na doon, di ba?
Barbecue lang natira sa...
Oo, ininit lang naman. Nilakasan na. Lakasan mo ng kaunti. Ininit lang yan ng lahat, ha? Buksan mo siguro, Pat, ang ano, foil paper. This is a flower of a coriander. Beautiful. Kain na tayo, nak. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Please don't forget to like and share my video. This is Tita Yagi here in Normandy, France. Bye.